Welcome to our home. My name is Mitzie Wong. I live here with my partner Jenifer Herman, who is a media executive. I'm a painter, designer and co-founder of Raw Rabbit. So we wanted to make the apartment feel very casual yet luxurious. We had a budget in mind, so we were very careful about choosing the materials. We wanted it to feel very inviting and relaxing. So when we saw the kitchen initially, it was very boxy. There were lots of angles, the cabinets were jutting out, the counters were short and narrow. So we wanted to make the place a lot more cohesive. So we went for a bigger island, a deeper, with a cascading waterfall marble sides. So it would be a feature because it's open plan to the living room. And we unified everything by colour. Being open plan, it had to be a feature. We hid the freezer and the fridge behind the same colours as the cabinet to make it more unified. We used the same hardware on the drawers and the doors to make it more cohesive, to give it a more lighter and brighter space. And we also brought the counter forward to give it a generous sense of space. Because everything was so new looking, I wanted to put in a hand kind of made tile to just soften it up, to give it some texture and some depth. So this is a fairly new building. It's only 12 years old, so we wanted to give the apartment some character. As you'll see, there's a lot of build-outs and recesses and weird angles in each corner. So I wanted to take the focal point away and make a feature wall. So we used 2.5-inch plywood beams and painted it to make an accent wall to give it layer and depth. If you look slightly to the right, you'll see the Manhattan Bridge, and it's a grey blue, so that was part of the inspiration for the colour. So it's a slightly off colour of the Manhattan Bridge. We relied on our Sweeten contractor heavily on their expertise for lighting. They dropped the ceilings only 2 or 3 inches, so we were able to put in the recessed lighting in both the living room and the office, so we could maintain consistent lighting throughout the day and evening. When we were doing the initial renovation, during the gutting stage, there was an additional 6 inches in the wall that was revealed, so we were able to design together and build a bespoke cabinet.